Okay, hello again, Amna. I thought I'd give a little short lesson on, and this should help you in Mr. Thomas's class and on the SAT or ACT or SAT. Okay. Uh, Evaluate, determine, and simplify. So we'll concentrate on evaluate here. So your book, I believe, the studies with Mr. Thomas say evaluate the expression for the given value of the variable. So there's a lot of words there, big words. Evaluate means find the value when I substitute that value in for the given variable. Okay? So it's substitute and simplify, I guess you'd say. Okay? So I'll do number 1, and then you can do number 2, and then I'll do number 3, you do number 4, okay? Such like that, 5 and 6. So I think you probably already know how to do this, so we'll go pretty quickly. So I always put it in a bracket. I think it's always a good idea to put your value that you're substituting in brackets. That way you don't make a mistake. So then I put the whole bracketed part in for that x. X is this. Make sure, especially if there's a negative sign, if there's a minus sign, you put it in brackets. So then you got minus 6 squared. Sit that in your calculator. That means minus 6 times minus 6. That little 2 means multiply this number times itself. And negative times negative is positive. Okay? So now you can work number 2. Okay? I'll go on to number 3. Number 3. Once again, I got a minus sign. I'm going to make sure I put it in brackets. And then I'm going to substitute. I can keep that minus out there. Then I've got my minus 4 in brackets, and I square it. So this is, you're learning how to speak algebra, and you're learning all the little important details of it. Okay, so put it in the brackets. Then this means a minus squared to give it positive, and the minus at the beginning stays there. So the minus at the beginning, but then this is negative 4 squared is 16. So your answer is minus. Okay, so now you can work number 4. And you may have seen these problems all before in Mr. Thomas's, or some almost exactly like it. Okay, so you can pause and do number 4. Okay, number 5. So I just write it again. Okay, I make sure I put it in brackets, then I substitute it in for the x. I got minus 2 times minus 7 cubed. Oops, I should probably get my calculator for that one. Now, cubed is, it'd be minus times minus gives me positive, then minus, then multiplied by minus again will get me back to a negative. So if I do this step by step, I got a minus 2 times, 49 times 7. I'm going to have to put that in my calculator. So, and you can put the whole thing in your calculator if you put it in carefully. You can do the minus sign, 2. I hope you have a cheap little calculator, and then you got your brackets. Negative sign, 7 in brackets, and then this little x with the square above it, and I can put in my 3 there. 686. So it did this minus 2 times minus whatever. Oops, give me, what was it? 686, I think. Okay, and it was positive. Okay, so you work number 6. Okay, and number 7. And we can check these just real quick next time when we meet. Okay, when we meet on Monday. X minus 7. Substitute in the 4. You can put it in brackets. It's not as important if you don't have a plus sign, but it's a good habit. 4 minus 7 be minus 3. Negative 3. Okay, you work number 8. Okay, you can use your calculator if you need to. And then number 9, a minus 3 times, substituting that minus 2, plus 7. Minus times minus, give me a positive. I get 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay, and you work number 10. And you can write these down, and if you've got a little notebook going on our tutoring, just write the even numbers down, and we'll look at them real quick when we meet on Monday.